Okay, so I brewed my coffee and I'm back at it. Last night after I launched the videos, somebody mentioned that it was missing the petal portion of the videos, and I searched high and low and couldn't find it. So I just went to bed last night and decided I would wake up this morning and just shoot another video with the flowers. And so it won't quite be in order, obviously, because I'm redrawing flowers, but I wanted you to have every portion of the videos. And I'm just not sure what happened. So anyway, I'm not sure if somebody erased it or what. So anyway, let's get started. So how I left you off in the first video is that you had some circles and some petals, or some, sorry, it's early in the morning, stems, and we left spaces for the petals. So I'll just do 3, or for the leaves. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you're gonna learn anything from this morning video either. Okay, so I don't wanna wake up next to anyone but you. Oh, I don't wanna wake up next to anyone but you. Let the sun come up and make tomorrow new. Alright, I'm actually going to do 4, I think, because so in the video there were a couple that were close to each other, so I just wanted to discuss that circumstance too. So here we go. Alright, so what you need to do for the flower is start on each end. So can you see that? So on the top and the bottom on both sides here, and you're doing a shape that's like a what can I relate it to? I mean, it's kind of like an eye, I guess, a part of an eye, but you're going, so in between each one of those, so now you did the top, bottom, and both sides. Now you're going to do one in between each of those. So it's like you're doing kind of a curved line, then you're going to start at that point and do another curved line down to the beginning, and then you're going to do a curved line and then down again. So a curved line up and then go back down towards the bottom, and then a curved line up and then back to the bottom. So now you have this many leaves, and then in between each one of those leaves you're gonna just start like at the side of this not leaf, petal, oh my gosh. You're just gonna start at the side of this and go up in between, so it's just like a little portion of a petal in between each one of those. So it's behind. If that makes sense. And there you go. So let's talk about these two over here, since we deal with that in the video. So I'm going to start again. I'm going to go to the top and the bottom and both sides. And this is kind of like a smooth portion, like I'm not stopping at all. I'm starting here, and it's a movement that doesn't stop and then coming back. Movement that doesn't stop and then just coming back. So and then in between each one like you did on the first one. I suppose those are almost like curvy V's. Trying to get a picture for you of what we can all write letters, so if we can write letters we can draw for sure. Okay, so now this one is going to be behind this one. So you're not going to draw an entire petal here. You're just going to draw a portion of one that you can show that, so you know it's coming behind that one. And then here again, and here again. And then you're going to go up and you're going to stop where that next petal starts, on the petal from that flower. And then again, same thing. And this one, I think I can even see a little bit of it behind there. So where there's a petal there above, you're not going to draw, you're just going to know that it's behind there. This one's going to come off of the page, so you just stop where the page, you don't want to try to make a smaller petal there. You're going to make it just as big as it deserves to be, but it's in the distance, so it's kind of like you took a snapshot. That makes it a little bit more real because you know that it goes on infinitely in many flowers as opposed to stopping in this painting. So it kind of gives you a visual that this painting goes on beyond, or this garden goes on beyond what you're looking at here. So again, you're stopping there. And then where you hit this other flower, you're just not going to keep going. It's behind. And there you go on that one. So now let's do some leaves. So leaves are the same as the petals. They go out, but they're big. So it's kind of a big curvy line and a point, and a big curvy line and a point on both sides. So, and it's behind. And it stops there because it's behind these. Okay. And then this one is going to be in front. So it's almost the shape that we do for the bird. And then goes back. This one would go in front of this one, which wasn't planned out very well, by the way. But just cover it with white paint. If you have some that need to go in front of others, just put white paint over it and then you're good to go. Okay, so this one I'm going to put behind just because it makes more sense. All right, so there you go. That's how you do the leaves and the flowers. So, oh, also in the center of the leaves, I just put a little swervy line, like it's a road, you know, it's a path to the flower. So they're just swervy lines. I can't remember which one's in front. Okay. All right, so good morning. I hope you have a wonderful day, and sorry about the missing video. Hopefully you can get this, and I will be putting out a PDF today of the drawing. I just didn't get to that yesterday. Have a great day.